Hey YouTube, I just want to make a quick video about my 2016 C300 Mercedes Benz. I probably bought it maybe like a month ago and it's used, like 98,000 miles. So I was driving yesterday and the car just cut off, like it just cut off in the middle of the road. And then all the warning lights came on. I'm gonna show you what that is now. So it cut off in the middle of the road and all these lights came on. It would not start up. It tried to crank, but it would not turn over. So it had crank, but it wouldn't start. So I got the car towed back and I went and bought a cheap scanner. And it read code P0008a. That was a low pressure code. So I got to digging around and a lot of things kept saying replace the fuel pump in the tank. So I took off the back seat and I did that, and now yes, the car starts and runs, and it's been doing it for, I've been driving for about 4 hours, just driving around. So yeah, I was just making this video. If anybody else was having that problem, that could be a good start for you. It was only like 89 bucks, maybe 90 bucks. And I actually called the mechanic. He was like, hey, pay me $1,500 and I'll replace your fuel pump. So yeah, give me any shines or questions you have. I'll help as best I can.